welcome back to our channel Foodaholics, and today we are going to cook dahi ke kebab. So the requirements for dahi ke kebab are 1 bowl of chopped onion, 1 bowl of bhuna hua besan, 1 bowl of very finely chopped capsicum, 1 bowl of hung curd. So hung curd should be really thick. So for that you have to leave the curd for like 7 to 8 hours. So I think you should keep it for like night for 7 to 8 hours and then use it. Then we'll be needing 1 bowl of grated paneer, and I have also added a very finely chopped Amul cheese to it, so to give it a really nice texture. And then we'll be needing 1 bowl of breadcrumbs. Now to prepare the mixture, we'll add our hung curd in a bowl. After adding this, we'll add some salt and some black pepper. Now we will add the paneer to it. And now onion. So for adding the onions, I have also fried a bit of onion. So we'll add that also. Capsicum. Then we'll add some green chili. Pisa hua jeera. We'll add dhania powder. Sukha dhania, red chili, and now we'll add a bit of oregano. Now we'll mix the mixture. After mixing all these ingredients, we'll be adding our bhuna hua besan to the mixture and mix it well. So you see, we have added some paneer and bhuna hua besan so that we don't have to add too much of corn flour to it, to make it too heavy and everything. So to blend the mixture nicely, we have added besan and paneer to our mixture. Okay, so we'll mix it well. Now you can see the mixture is ready. So now we'll have a quick test of our mixture, that is to check the consistency of our mixture. So it should be really thick, that it shouldn't fall off the spoon. So now let's have the test. So now you can see that the mixture is really thick and it's not getting off the spoon. So which means our mixture is really prepared. Now we will be making balls of our dahi kebab. So first we'll take the material in our spoon, and please don't try to use your hands. So we'll be doing that later on. So first we'll be doing it with a spoon. So we'll drop the material in the breadcrumbs, and then later on we'll be making the balls. So as you can see, we are not using our hands. So try not to use your hands, please. So now we'll dip the mixture completely and nicely in the breadcrumbs, and after that we'll be making balls. So now you can use your hands and give it a little pressure and make a complete ball. And if you want, you can make a flat one also, but I'll prefer balls, so I'm making balls. So you can see there are so nicely made balls, prepared very nicely and dipped in breadcrumbs nicely. So you can do this. So now as you can see, our balls are prepared, and now we'll fry them. So now we'll fry them until they are golden. So now as you can see, they are goldenish in color and fried completely. So now we'll take them out of the oil. So now you can see they are completely fried and are ready to eat. So we'll now put them in a good nice plate and we'll serve them. So now I think they are completely ready and served in a plate and are ready to eat. So they really look yummy to me. And if you really like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.